every day. Houses go through a lot. Every bang. Every change. Every scratch. Every move. Every time, repair your house using Eclipse Rapid Wall Repair Patch from DAP. The fast, easy-to-use mess-free repair patch can fix a variety of damage and is strong and durable. It's as simple as patch, paint, and finish. No spackling, sanding, or other tools necessary. Available in 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch sizes. Eclipse it like it never happened. And keep some on hand so you can repair, well, everything.
It's gonna be a long day with all those tenant requests. And holes left behind. But we got you covered, literally. Introducing the Eclipse Rapid Wall Repair Patch from DAP. Available in 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch sizes. The fast, easy-to-use, mess-free repair patch is as simple as patching and painting. DAP's Eclipse has superior impact resistance, providing a repair that is stronger than drywall itself. No spackling, sanding, or other tools necessary. Use it as your fast, easy, all-in-one, go-to permanent fix. And keep DAP's new Eclipse Rapid Wall Repair Patch in your tool bag for all those everyday tenant damages.